At the Peer Center for Life in Richmond, one of our enterprises is making Ellie Mae sweet treats. These are delicious, all organic dog treats, and they're made by the sweetest people on the face of the earth. They're made by adults with intellectual and developmental disabilities right here at the Peer Center for Life in Richmond. And every bag that you purchase, 100% of the profits goes directly back to the people that we serve, our people with disabilities. And so I want to invite you to go to our website, www.thepeercenter.org, thepeercenter.org. And there you can place your order. We'd love to ship them out to you anywhere in the continental United States. And if you're here local in North Georgia, we might even just surprise you and come by and drop them off at your door. They're great treats. Your dogs will love them, and, well, our people will love you for loving them too.